Hey fellow riders, as I prepare for the trip in a few weeks, I thought I'd share what I keep under my seat, starting right now on MotoTravelUSA. Hey everyone, so the FJR1300 actually allows me to carry a bunch of stuff to help in case of emergency, which is great. Right up front here is the stock tool case. I don't think I've ever pulled that one out because I'll show you the tool I use in a second. Right next to that is an air compressor. I check the tires regularly while on a trip, and I use this to fill it up because gas station ones just are kind of a pain to fill up with where the valve is. Underneath that, I have two small bungee cords that are stuck here. These just help connect stuff, or if something breaks off, I can tie it down with these. These are really good. I find them useful for a lot of things and maintenance too. And then I have a bag of just miscellaneous parts, some screws for the windshield, and I also have some extra fuses for the accessory up front. I've had an issue with that being blown with the radar detector and the iPhone on it, so those are valuable to me. I just want to make sure I always have spares. Up near the center, I have two rock straps. It's kind of like a bungee cord. A lot of people think they're a lot better. I also have a multi-tool. Now this is actually for a bicycle. I believe the name of the company is Topeak. I'm not exactly sure if that's the right pronunciation, but it has everything I need for a motorcycle as well. A lot of hex keys, screwdriver, wrench. Splits apart pretty easily, even one-handed. I go with this rather than a Leatherman. I love Leathermans, but this just is so compact and fits so well under the seat that I thought I would just use this. Behind that, I have another accessory cord or socket that attaches to my battery tender, just in case I need that, or if I have other stuff hooked up to the accessory and don't want to blow a fuse. I have two more larger bungee cords for something bigger, if something bigger happens or needs to be tied down. I have a microfiber towel to either clean or keep clean while doing maintenance. A small medical kit that Bel Ray was handing out at the AIM Expo. Band-aids and gauze, just kind of everything you would need on the road. A little pair of scissors, just in case. Some zip ties. They're like bungee cords. You can use them for 1.5 million things. And work gloves, so I don't have to get all dirty if there is a mechanical issue or I have to check something out on the road. And the good old tire kit, just in case I get a object into my tire. This is the plug kind. Use the reamer tool and then put the plug in. Luckily, I've never had to use this on a trip. I've used it at home. This kit also comes with some air, just in case. Just last ditch effort if the air compressor is not working. I'd always have that as a backup. So really that's a quick tour of what I carry under my seat in case of emergencies and just little odds and ends to help while on the road. I hope that helped you, and please give the video a thumbs up if it did. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss a thing. Thanks for joining me today. Now I'm gonna get this packed and let's go explore.